Okay, let's make a cute purple ring with black. Black match with purple is nice. We are make a ring size in 6.5. So here to share with you how to make it. This is the nylon plier. Nylon plier is help to stretch the wire, so that the wire not be bent. Cut about 10 centimeter, 2 piece. It's going to be a adjustable ring, so you can wear it 6 or 7 or 6.5. Okay, cut it 2 piece. Then let's use the wire 0.3. You can use 0.4 as well, that's no problem. Cut it about 1.2 meter, because the wire is thinner compared to 0.4. If you use 0.4, you cut 70 centimeter, I think it's okay. But it's thinner, so it need to wrap more time. So I need to cut it longer. Why I use 0.3 here? Because the size is a small size. So I use the wire smaller size. Okay, here we go. Start now. We wrap it tight here. This one here. Wrap. The way does to weave the ring band. This way to weave the ring will be very strong, not easy to be out of shape, and it will be very neat, comfortable, well on your hand. Here. Hello, Sabine. Happy to see you. Materials we will introduce next. Yeah, so here we first make a ring as a ring tutorial. So how I wrap, I tight the wire by my top finger, and I twist here. Twist 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So twist, then wrap on the right wire. Twist, wrap on the right wire. So actually I wrap one time left, one time right, but I twist it so I always wrap on only right side, because I twist here this way. 6.5 the size, so the size is a small size for ring. Okay. What gauge is 0.5? 0.5, the gauge is 24. 24. Uh, 24 is 0.5. Thank you, backwards. Actually, just more practice, then you can make it nice. Hello, Sophia. I'm good. Thank you. How are you? It's 1 point. We going to wrap it 2 centimeter. Tight, twist, tight, twist, tight, 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 tight. So Always twist. If you don't want to twist, you do like this. Hello, Donna. Happy to see you. If you don't want to twist, here I show you another way. Yeah, it's 2.2 centimeter. Okay, we stop. We stop to wrap here. Then we go put beads. I'm going to put these beads in 4mm. It's a cubic zircon, not glass beads. This one, THR. Where is THR? Oh, hospital. What happened, dear? 4mm. Here. This way. Here. It's tight here, this way, wrapper. Then we're going to use the small beads. This is 4. Then we use the smaller size, the 2mm here on the side. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your nice share. ENRI. Thank you. So we put the small size beads. Here 6. I have to have something on my foot to remove an infection. Hope that is not serious, that you will be recovered soon. 4. Here. Then the beads is around the big beads, the small beads 2mm, and I wrap it around the 4mm, so it's this way. It's a cute flower. So because the size is 6.5, so I make a cute flower design. 1. If you don't want to twist the ring band, this is the way. This way. So right bottom side, wrap the top, wrap the bottom, wrap the top, wrap the bottom, wrap the top, wrap it here, wrap it here, tight. So this is the seam. Wrap the bottom, wrap the top here. Hope you be recovered soon, Donna. Okay. Here. Wrap tight. So this way can make the. You just remember each time you wrap, try your best to wrap the wire tight and neat, so it will be very beautiful, neat. You can see, yeah, here, tight, tight, here, this one, here. Tight here, this way. Go嘛。Here. I love to wrap like a twist. I feel that the twist wrapper will be easy. missed seeing too high. Okay, so then we need to check if the total length is okay. Total length here is 5. Here 5 make a 6.5, maybe a little bit small. So I will wrap again. Okay, so why I left here a little bit longer is in case that the length not enough, so we can wrap a little bit more on each side. So when you are not sure for this half ring band, you left here about 10 centimeter, so that you can wrap a little bit more if the size is not enough. Okay. It's about 2.5. Two, 3, 4, 5. Here. Okay, then we can cut. After cut it, what is my total? Donna need a total DARLO. Okay. So here. Tight. So it's make it like this. Okay, then we cut it away the side. Then we bend it to the end. What gauge are each wire? 18 gauge and 28 gauge. I used the two sides of the wire here. Show you the smallest and the biggest. So 18 gauge and 18 gauge, 28 and 18. So two sides. Then we separate the wire here. This one, use our round plier, the top, to make the loop small. Okay. It's like this way. Here. This one, size 6.5. If I want to bend the ring to 6.5, I will not put it here to bend. I will put it here to bend. One size smaller. It's a tips for you if you are also make the ring adjustable open ring. Want to make 6.5 but bend at 5.5. Okay, 5.5 here. This way, here. Here. Okay, yeah. Then you see a magic. Now I bend here. Then when I open my hand, it will go bigger. That's always like this. Yeah, always like this. Bend, then you open your hand, it will be turned bigger. This one tutorial, I think I have some similar, but not exactly the same tutorial here.